Okay, Tubies, what's for dinner? Boiling water. No, I'm kidding. Put some salt in my water. Gotta boil. We're making baked ziti. Alright, let me boil these ziti noodles. I'll show you what they look like. Get them mixed around in there. Preheat your oven to 350. Dump your ziti in there. Bake it according to directions. So we're gonna do 10 minutes. Okay. In the meantime, I buy these because when you're done, put the lid on it, throw it in the fridge, toss the whole thing in the garbage when you're done. I still have camping brain. That's my camping brain. What can I get rid of? So, I'll let these are ziti. We've got mozzarella. Whatever your favorite spaghetti sauce is, which this is mine, the meat flavored ragu. I don't know why, I just love the taste. And then I got the Parmesan Romano and Asiago cheeses. I like a blend. You could do just Parmesan. Spray your pan. And ricotta. You need 16 ounces of ricotta cheese. People can add meat if they want, but I don't really like it in mine. I don't know why. It's not like it's not spaghetti. Okay, we better chill this down. Okay, there we go. Perfect. All right, so then we're gonna spray this pan. We're gonna add half of our sauce to it. So let's go. Okay, so we got our ricotta cheese in there. We're gonna put in our Parmesan. We're gonna put in half of our mozzarella. We're gonna stir all this into the pasta. Pasta's nice and hot, so everything will melt together. Some people add sour cream, I don't care for it. Because the ricotta cheese is creamy enough. So, once you have all that mixed, I am. Alright, now, we're gonna transfer this to here. Okay. Now, we're gonna add more sauce, another layer. We got a layer underneath, a layer on top. Kind of like pour painting. So this is a pretty deep, deeper than a 13 by 9 pan. You see those casserole? I don't know how many quart. Okay, and I'm gonna do a little bit more of this. And then we're gonna finish off with our mozzarella. Ra-ta-ta-ta, ra-ta-ta-ta, ta-ta-ta-ta, ta-ta-ta. Don't be afraid of cheese. Me and my cheese are like Paula Deen and her butter. I love cheese. Alright, now 350. Oven's preheated. There you go. 30 minutes. See you in 30 minutes. So here's a fun little hack. If the oven's full, I cook the garlic bread. I thaw it out first. I cook my garlic bread. I preheated this for 2 minutes already. Hit the 400 mode, French fry mode. Put it down to about 6 minutes. Cook my garlic bread in there. The air fryer. Garlic bread only took 2 minutes in the air fryer. It's crispy and soft. Get your plate up here.
I'll want to scoop my own.
Alright, well then let me hold the plate for you. You just... How is it? Good? Good. Peanut gallery. Look at that. Dinner is served.